Hi everyone and welcome. This is a very simple breathing practice or pranayama practice. These breathing exercises help to activate our parasympathetic nervous system, meaning our rest and digest or rest and recover state. So doing these practices can greatly help to relieve stress, anxiety, help to prepare you for sleep, and in general to calm and quiet emotions, thoughts, and our whole body. So we'll be seated. You could also do this lying down. So in a chair, lying down in bed, seated, it really doesn't matter. If you are going to do it seated, sit on a pillow or a folded up blanket so that you have a better chance of having a comfortable and tall seat. So first off, if you want to close your eyes, go ahead, close your eyes. If that feels comfortable, we'll take a really, really deep cleansing breath. So just breathe in as much air as you possibly can. Fill up your lungs, stretch your lungs, and then let it go in one big swoosh. Big releasing exhale. And if you want to do that one more time, if that feels good, go ahead and fill your lungs up again. Stretch your lungs as much as you can. Fill up and then let it go. Big tumbling, releasing, sighing exhale. So the first exercise we'll start with is a 3-part breath, and you can use your hands here. So we'll fill up 1/3 of the way, and you imagine that your body is a container, and you're filling up just that bottom third of the container with your breath. So you'll feel your lower belly and the sides of your waist and your lower back fill up with air. And then you can use your hand right over your solar plexus, then we'll fill the middle third up to sort of our bottoms of our ribs there. And then we'll fill up the top third. So you can place a hand on your chest, on your sternum, and feel the top of your chest right up to your shoulders filling up, sides underneath your armpits and into the back of your chest. When you get right up to the top, we'll pause for a second and then slowly exhale all the way back down to the very bottom. And we'll be breathing in and out through our nose. So go ahead and use your hands if you'd like. Empty out your lungs, empty out your breath. You can have a hand on your low belly. Now slowly breathe in 1/3 of the way. Fill up that container, just the bottom third of the container. Then hand over your solar plexus and fill up that second third of the way. And then hand on your sternum and fill up the last third, right up to the very top of your container. And then slow exhale out through your nose. You can release your hands as you do that exhale. And then we'll start again. Hand on your low belly, breathing in 1/3 of the way. Pause slightly after that first third. Hand on solar plexus, second third. Little pause. Hand on sternum. Fill up the last third. Pause. Slow exhale through your nose. All the way back down to the bottom. Do that a few more rounds. So breathing in slowly, fill the bottom of the container, the middle of the container, the top of your container, and then breathing out, emptying slowly all the way back down. Take that 1 or 2 more times on your own timing, your own breath. Trying to feel that slight pause in between each third of breath. Slowly breathing out through the nose, one long, steady stream of breath as you empty back down to the bottom. And then when you're finished, just let that go and take a nice, normal breath, whatever your body wants. Now the second exercise we're going to move into is a 1-2 breath, meaning our inhale is going to be half the length of our exhale. So the exhale is twice as long as the inhale. So I will count the breath for you, and we'll start with a 4 count inhale and then an 8 count exhale. So the breath in is going to be a little quicker. We'll take a tiny little pause at the top and then a nice slow exhale right down to the bottom before we breathe in again. Again, our breath is going to be in and out through our nose, and you can rest your hands wherever feels comfortable. I encourage the eyes being closed for that nice internal focus, but if you want to have your eyes open, that's obviously totally up to you. So let's begin by emptying out our lungs. Empty out the breath. And then here we go, breathing in through the nose, breathing in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tiny pause. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice and slow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Empty out. Breathing in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right up to the top. Pause. Exhale through the nose. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathing in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll do one more round. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Feel that stillness at the top. Exhale out of the nose, slow all the way down, counting down from 8, all the way down to empty. And then let it go. Again, just take a nice normal breath. Feel the effects of that breath. And now we'll move into our last exercise here, last breathing exercise. We'll take Nadi Shodhana, which means alternate nostril breath. So you're going to lift your right hand, and I'll be not mirror image to you. So lift your right hand, I'm lifting my right hand, and we'll take our peace fingers right between our eyebrows, our third eye point, and your thumb will be what blocks your right nostril, and your ring finger and pinky will be what blocks your left nostril. Now as we do this, try to maintain that nice tall spine, not collapse down. And if you can, close your eyes. I'll talk you through so you can keep your gaze soft or your eyes closed. Let's take a nice steady breath. Breathe in through both nostrils, both sides of your nose. Nice big inhale. And a nice slow exhale out of both sides of your nose. Now use your thumb to block your right nostril and slowly inhale through the left nostril, breathing in a slow and steady stream of breath right up to the very top. Switch, so block your left nostril and slowly exhale out through your right nostril, all the way down to the bottom. Now breathe in through the right side of your nose, right nostril. Inhale. Block the right nostril, slowly exhale out of the left nostril. Inhale left. Exhale right. Breathing in right. Switching sides on your exhale, so exhale left. Now let's keep that going. Breathe in left. Exhale right. Now really slowing down the breath. Inhale through the right nostril. Slowing down your exhale, breathe out of the left nostril. One more round. Slowly breathe in left nostril. Slowly exhale right. Breathing in right side of the nose. And exhale left nostril. And once you get to the bottom of that exhale, sweetly, gently release your right hand down to your lap. And just allow your breath to come in and out through both sides of your nose. Nice and steady, nice and easy. Notice what you feel. Notice any after effects from that breath. And then to finish, we'll take one more big, huge inhale and a sighing or clearing exhale. Here we go. Big breath in. And release your breath. You can gather your hands together just as a way of sealing in that focus and that intention. And hopefully you feel a little quieter, a little calmer, a little steadier. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for breathing with me. Namaste.